शुभ काम के पहले हम भगवान जी को याद करते हैं. That's exactly what we are going to do tonight here. So बहुत ही प्यारा सा वहाँ लैम्प रखा हुआ है. So हम लैम्प लाइटिंग से स्टार्ट करेंगे. And I request our delegates on stage to kindly light the lamp.
Good evening. So the most important thing here that you should know that this summit is all about business, leadership, and healthcare. What do you think that this summit is going to bring? What kind of result this summit is going to bring?
I represent the company called as Lighting Technology. It's basically a Russian company who started manufacturing in India from 2015. It's very important, this kind of a forum. Everyone understands that India is the fastest growing economy. So recognizing industry leaders is something really motivating step what any association can take it forward. So I feel it proud of being part of this summit today. Thank you, Mr. Anand.
We are basically an eco-friendly company making promotional cotton bags, which are alternative plastic bags. We strongly believe if the person has a self-determination and self-confidence and positive thinking, then he can get success and become a true leader. Actually.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah.
Totally
Thank
agree.
you very much.
Leadership at this point of time is very important. Why? Because we are slowing down. We have to find out a way to move forward. We have to find out to take the challenges, and that is where our leadership comes. And leadership does mean that the team should be with you. Only teamwork and leadership can bring wonders to the world. Thank you.
Learning from all of you in this business summit. Basically, healthcare is also moving at a very dynamic pace. Let it be anything like in corporate hospitals, primary health centers, and we head the scientific affair department along with the R&D and try to see how the innovations like from these, all of you people from the innovative industry or in the technology, how it can help in bringing up the standards of, or say quality of standards like what we every time claim as international standards having in US or say Europe or anywhere in Japan. So this is what it is all about, and these type of summits are very important to bring a joint collaborations.
I request Shri Athavale sir to kindly join me here and give away the speech, sir.
वर्ल्ड वाइड अचीवर्स अवार्ड फंक्शन में हमारे शक्ति कपूर वो फिल्म के एक्टर है, लेकिन मैं पार्लियामेंट का एक्टर हूँ. हमारे अमर साबले जी है. भारत सरकार बिजनेस कम्युनिटी को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करना चाहती है. बिजनेस कम्युनिटी की कुछ नाराज़गी भी हो सकती है, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को खुश करना होगा तो कुछ लोगों को नाराज़ करना पड़ता है. बिजनेस कम्युनिटी रहेगी तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट रहेगा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट रहेगा तो गरीबी हटेगी. हर हाथ को काम, हर बुद्धि को काम देने की जिम्मेदारी सरकार की भी है, आप लोगों की भी है. और बिजनेस कम्युनिटी ने करोड़ों लोगों को रोजगार दे दिया है. बिजनेस कम्युनिटी ने अपने देश की इकोनॉमी डेवलप की है, गरीबों को न्याय देने का भी काम किया है. तो इसीलिए हर साल इसी तरह का सभी बिजनेस क्षेत्र में अलग अलग प्रोडक्शन करने वाले, काम करने वाले जो बिजनेसमैन है, उनका अवार्ड देने का फंक्शन यहाँ होता है. और जो बिजनेस लीडर्स है, हम तो पॉलिटिकल लीडर हैं, लेकिन आप लोग बिजनेस लीडर समिट के माध्यम से आज पूरे देश भर से बहुत सारे बिजनेसमैन इधर आए हैं और बहुत सारे लोगों को देखकर मुझे बहुत बड़ा आनंद हुआ कि अपने अपने क्षेत्र में आपने बहुत ही अच्छी प्रगति की है और जिनको जिनको अवार्ड मिला है और भी अवार्ड और भी कुछ लोगों को मिलने वाला है, उनको भी मैं हार्दिक हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ। मैं आप लोगों को शुभकामना देता हूँ। जय भीम, जय भारत।
A very, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And now, since we have our delegates on stage, I think without any further ado, we should start with the award segment. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with the first category, which is the most trusted cooperative bank of the year, Gujarat. And the award goes to none other than the Surat District Cooperative Bank Limited. Shri Jayesh Bhai B. Desai, Joint General Manager, and Shri Ilesh Bhai K. Dalal, Assistant General Manager. Next, we have the most trusted biotechnology company of the year, and the award goes to Prathishta Industries Limited. Next, we have the most trusted manufacturer of hybrid seeds of the year, and the award goes to Bombay Super Hybrid Seeds Limited. Mr. Arvind Bhai Jadhav Bhai Kakadia, Managing Director, and Mr. Amit Gadhia, Manager. The next category is the Best Innovative Lighting Company of the Year, and the award goes to Lighting Technologies, Mr. Hari Narayanan, KV CEO. Next up, we have the Most Trusted Chemicals Company of the Year, and the award goes to Sandhya Organic Chemicals Private Limited, Mr. Kantilal Kohli, Chairman and Managing Director, and Mrs. Sandhya Kohli, Director. The next category is the Most Trusted Pharmaceutical Company in India, and the award goes to none other than Sinochem, Mr. Manjeet Singh, Business Head, P2P Division. Our next category is the Best Manufacturer of Toughened Glass in India, and the award goes to Agarwal Toughened Glass India Private Limited, Mr. Mahesh Kumar Agarwal, Director. The next category is for the Versatile Professional of the Year, and the award goes to Mr. Mahesh Sharma. Congratulations, Mr. Mahesh. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, is the Entrepreneur of the Year, IT Innovation. And the award goes to Mr. Biju Pegu. Next category, ladies and gentlemen, is the Best Zarda Manufacturing Company of the Year, Sugandhi Snuff King Private Limited, Mr. Vicky Chaurasia, Director. Moving on to the next category, we have the Best Manufacturer of Ropeway and Material Handling System of the Year. And the award goes to Conveyor and Ropeway Services Private Limited, Mr. Shekhar Chakravarti, Managing Director, and the lovely, gorgeous Ms. Rachna Mukherjee, Director. Moving on to the next category, next we have the Best Pathology Lab in North India, and the award goes to CRL Diagnostics Private Limited, Mr. Ravi Tomar. Congratulations. Next up, we have the Most Trusted Manufacturer of Safety and Fancy Shoes of the Year, Sant Rohidas Leather Industries and Charmakar Development Corporation Limited, Mr. Rajesh Dhabre, IRS. Our next category is the Most Promising Eco-Friendly Bags Manufacturing Company of the Year, and the award goes to Sekavati Impex, Mr. Dinesh Gupta, President, and Ms. Pramila Gupta, Owner. The next award is for the Best Brand Strategist in India, Supertron Electronics Private Limited, Mr. V.K. Bhandari, CMD, and Mr. Vipul Bhandari, senior officials. The next category, which is the most trusted manufacturer of snack pellets of the year, Giant Snacks and Beverages Private Limited, Mr. Rajesh Dubaria, Director, and Mr. Piyush Dubaria, Director. Our next category is the most trusted logistic company of the year, that goes to Inland World Logistics Private Limited, Mr. Raj Somani and Mr. Shashi Sharma. Our next category is the most trusted developer in southern India, My Home Constructions Private Limited, Mr. Rajesh Mehta, Deputy General Manager Marketing, and Mr. Naveen Reddy, Assistant Manager Corporate Communications. The next category is the best telecom solutions provider company of the year, Valley Intelligence Private Limited, Mr. Inderveer Singh Johal, Director. हमारी अगली कैटेगरी है बेस्ट वेब ब्रांडिंग सर्विस प्रोवाइडर इन तमिलनाडु, Webboomba. That's a lovely name. It goes to Webboomba, Mr. Sarath Ravi Kumar, co-founder, and Mr. Durai Raju, co-founder. The next category is the best tours and travel company in Pune, the Mira Travelers Private Limited, Mr. Anand Suryavanshi, Managing Director, and Mr. Pramod Kadam, Senior Manager. Congratulations. Let us move on to the next category. Next we have the fastest growing hematology company of the year, Horiba India Private Limited. Next up we have the healthcare professional of the year, cardiac surgeon, Dr. Vijay Sridhar Andhare. Dr. Vijay Sridhar, can we have you on stage? Next we have the best innovative sari manufacturing company in Gujarat, Vivera International, Mr. Vishal Kumar, Director, and Mr. Mahesh Desai, Director. Next we have the best distribution of plumbing and sanitary materials in West Bengal, and the award goes to National Plumbing House, Mr. Paritosh Jaiswal and Mrs. Soni Jaiswal. The next category is the most trusted industrial refrigeration equipment manufacturing company of the year, and the award goes to Frick India Limited, Mr. Jas Mohan Singh, Managing Director, and Mr. P. Sudhir Kumar, Director, Marketing. The next category is Best Manufacturer of UPVC Doors and Windows Profile System of the Year, and the award goes to Encraft India Private Limited, Mr. Avanish Singh Bisain, CEO. Congratulations. The next category is the fastest growing ghee brand, and the award goes to Godavari Ghee, Mr. Kalakuri Pradeep, Managing Director, and Mr. Nizamuddin, Business Development Manager. Category, ladies and gentlemen, is the best software products and services company in Maharashtra, and the award goes to Infini Systems Private Limited, Mr. Jigar Shah, Director, Infini Systems Private Limited, and Mr. Jinal Jigar Shah. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, the next category is for the best company of the year, Material Handling. And the award goes to Action Construction Equipment Limited, Mr. Rituraj Garg, Marketing Head, and Mr. Mukesh Parekh, Manager, Corporate Affairs. category is for the best manufacturer of herbal extracts of the year. And the award goes to GR Herbals, Mr. Rahul Marwal. All right, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we have the most trusted marketing company in Central India. And the award goes to IMAST Operations Private Limited, Akash Joshi, founder and director, Ankur Pathak, founder and director. Next, we have the best manufacturer and exporter of agricultural chemicals company in Maharashtra. And the award goes to West Coast Herbochem Limited. Moving on, best agro-food manufacturer in Delhi NCR, we have Tirupati Food Industries Private Limited, Mr. Krishnan Jindal, director. Category is the most promising education consultants for student visa services and IELTS/PTE Training Institute in Punjab. And the award goes to Rightway Airlinks, Dev Priya Tyagi, director, and Preeti Tyagi, general manager. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have the best emerging commercial developer in Gujarat. And the award goes to Sonoras, the business gateway, Tulsi creators, Mr. Ramesh Bhai Kotadia and Mr. Pratik Kotadia. Our next category is the best emerging developer in West Bengal. And the award goes to Shri Balaji, Mr. Mana Paul, proprietor. Next, we have the most promising consultant in Maharashtra. And the award goes to none other than Mr. Mohit Sinha. Moving on to the next category, ladies and gentlemen, we have the best innovative developer for residential in Maharashtra. And the award goes to Shivalik Ventures Private Limited, Mr. Amresh Tipnis, Director Sales and Marketing, and Ms. Vinita Ajgaonkar, Vice President Sales and Marketing. Congratulations. All right, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we have the best web design and digital marketing company in Delhi NCR. And the award goes to Ogen Infosystem Private Limited, Mr. Abhijit Jha. The next category is India's best life coach and NLP coach. And the award goes to Mr. S.A. Anand. Our next category is the best manufacturer of housekeeping products in Maharashtra. Gharana Products, please put your hands together for Mr. Santosh Hegde.
We received a good platform and definitely want to sort of make people aware of this fact that for the common people, for the common cause, for the common people's transportation, so that they can have timely, safe and comfortable travel in the city.
I feel really proud and privileged by receiving this Best Innovative Company of the Year from, especially from the Worldwide Achievers. They are one of the most renowned research company, and the company which rates absolute on a merit basis. I feel really proud and privileged by receiving this award.
Really a big achievement, and really I am happy and good feeling.
I'm really privileged to got this award through Zee Business and the Worldwide Achievers Award, and it's been a great honor to recognize the efforts of the young entrepreneurs which are working in the industry. So we are surely working to revolutionize this real estate industry now.
इंडिया के बेस्ट टफन ग्लास क्वालिटी के लिए हमें अवार्ड मिला है, जिसके लिए GTV और वर्ल्ड वाइड अचीवर को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, जिन्होंने सभी जगह से ढूंढ करके अच्छी प्रतिभाओं को आगे लाया और हम जैसे न्यू कमर्स को एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ.
Well, this event itself is very encouraging. It encourages the person and the companies to do better and better day by day.